These are the elevators at the county center in Tampa, Florida. Let's go to 26. These are the high-rise elevators. There's a few different banks here. The indicator just flipped between 1 and 19 for some reason. 26. Okay, I'm going back down. We're here at 21. I think this is just an extra button. You can't, that's not like the 18th floor. Alright, here's your cab view. Again, that's interesting. Like, it just flicks between 1 and 19 for some reason. There's speakers up there, which is pretty interesting. And then there's a security camera. Here's your phone. Let's take it. Oh, sorry. Here we are at 24. Again, these are Series 4 buttons, I think. Yeah, panel's flush, so it's a Series 4. There's another elevator right there. Here is your inspection certificate. Again, watch the indicator. Yeah, what's up with that? I don't know. Here we are at 1.